How can I fix my watery whipped cream?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing a common issue that many people encounter in the kitchen: watery whipped cream. If you've ever had the disappointment of seeing your whipped cream turn out runny instead of fluffy, don't worry. I'm here to help you fix it.
Understanding the problem.
Before we dive into the solution, let's understand why whipped cream sometimes becomes watery. Whipped cream gets its light and airy texture from the air bubbles that are incorporated into the cream while it's being whipped. When the cream is overwhipped or whipped at too high a speed, the fat in the cream can start to separate from the liquid, causing it to become watery. So, it's important to avoid overwhipping to maintain the right consistency.
Reverting watery whipped cream.
Now that we know what causes the issue, let's move on to fixing watery whipped cream. The good news is that it's usually possible to rescue it and turn it into fluffy perfection. 1. Chill everything. Start by chilling the bowl and whisk or beaters you'll be using. This helps to keep the cream cold throughout the process, which makes it easier to whip and maintain its structure. 2. Re-whip. Transfer the watery whipped cream to the chilled bowl and start whipping it again. Begin at a low speed to incorporate some air, and gradually increase the speed as the cream thickens. Be mindful not to overwhip it this time. 3. Add stabilizer. If re-whipping alone doesn't give you the desired consistency, you can add a stabilizer to help thicken the whipped cream. Some popular options include powdered sugar, cornstarch, or gelatin. Follow the instructions on the package for the correct amount to add and incorporate it into the cream while whipping. 4. Avoid overheating. Make sure not to overwhip the cream or generate excess heat while whipping. Overheating can cause the fat to separate from the liquid, leading to a watery consistency. So, keep an eye on the cream's texture and stop whipping as soon as it reaches the desired stiffness.
Preventing watery whipped cream.
Prevention is always better than fixing the problem. So, here are a few tips to help you avoid watery whipped cream in the first place. 1. Use cold cream. Start with well-chilled heavy cream or whipping cream. Cold cream whips better and holds its shape longer. 2. Chill the bowl and utensils. Just like before, chilling the bowl and whisk beaters in the freezer for a few minutes before whipping can help maintain a lower temperature during the process. 3. Whip at low to medium speed. When whipping the cream, start at a low speed and gradually increase to medium speed. Whipping at high speeds can introduce excess air and heat, which can lead to separation. 4. Add a stabilizer. To ensure a more stable whipped cream, consider adding a stabilizer from the start. This can be in the form of powdered sugar, cornstarch, or a commercial stabilizer. Again, follow the recommended quantities to achieve the desired result. And there you have it. You now know how to fix watery whipped cream and prevent it from happening in the future. Remember to keep your ingredients cold, be mindful of the whipping speed, and consider using a stabilizer if needed. With these tips, you'll be able to enjoy perfectly whipped cream every time. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.